Hello, good morning students. Now we have start chapter 3rd, whole numbers. The topic is addition of whole numbers. Now start exercise 3.2. Look here. First point, if A, B, C are any three whole numbers, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Now variables shifting, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Now by using this property, solve the question. Question number 4, exercise 3.2. A part, find the sum 414, 386, 520. Solve the question. 414 plus 386, 414 plus 386 plus 520 is equal to 414 plus 386. The addition is 800. The addition is 800 plus 520. 800 plus 500 is equal to 1320. This is answer. Again repeat, find the sum 414, 386 and 520. By using this property, solve the question. 414 plus 386, the addition is 800 plus 520. Now the addition is 800 plus 520 is equal to 1320. This is answer. Now next question. Question number 5. What is whole number x? Find the value of x. Question is 7 plus x plus 11 is equal to 11 plus 7 plus 8. Now both sides are equal. Check the question. Left hand side, seven plus x plus 11. Other step is equal to 11 plus 7 plus x. This side equal to 11 plus 7 plus x. Now is equal to 11 plus 7 plus x. By using this property, 11 plus 7 plus x is equal to right hand side 11 plus 7 plus 8. Now both sides are equal. This term is equal. So the value of x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8. This is answer. Again repeat question. What is whole number? The value of x. Left hand side 7 plus x plus 11 is equal to 11 plus 7 plus x. Now change the step. 11 plus 7 plus x. 11 plus 7 plus x is equal to right hand side 11 plus 7 plus 8. Now compare the both sides. 11 plus 7 दोनों equal and x is equal to 8. Now this is answer. X is equal to 8. Okay student, write down the question. Now next question is question number 9. Find the population of a village which has 8,750 men, 7,963 women and 2,037 children. Solve the question. The population of a village is equal to 8,750 men, 7,963 women, 2,037 children. Now, total population of a village is equal to 8,750 plus 7,963 plus 2,037. Now, addition is 8,750 plus 7,963 plus 2,037. The addition is 10,000 plus 8,750. The addition is total 18,750. The total population of a village is equal to 18,750. Write down the question. Okay student. Now next question is question number 10. In a school, 256 boys and 248 girls were present on Monday, and 237 boys and 261 girls were present on Tuesday. How many students were present each day, and when was the attendance more? Now solve the question. 256 boys plus 248 girls were present on Monday. The addition is 256 plus 248. Addition is 256 plus 248. The addition is 6 plus 8, 14. 1 carry, 504. The addition is 504. Present on Monday. The total present 504 on Monday, and the next 237 boys plus 261 girls were present on Tuesday. Were present on Tuesday. Okay, student. Now addition is 237 plus 261. The addition is 261 or 237. The addition is 7 plus 8, 69, 498. Now addition is 498 were present on Tuesday. The attendance more on Monday. This is 504 is the greatest number and 498 is the smallest number. Now attendance more is equal to 504 on Monday. Okay, students. Now again, 256 boys plus 248 girls were present on Monday. The addition is 504 were present on Monday, and 237 boys plus 261 girls were present on Tuesday. Now addition is 498. The greatest number 504 were present on